have been trying my hands on freelancing for a few months. And what I realized is that one of the biggest challenges that I face as a freelancer is I cannot plan my investments. I don't know how to actually start planning for it. And so I thought, why not make a video of the learnings that I have done and I have learned so that you can make use of it. And also maybe this will help you streamline your finance and obviously unlock financial literacy for you. And I'm Swati Singhania, so let's start going. So while I was doing freelancing, or while I am doing freelancing, I realized that one of the biggest challenges I face is that I don't know when my money is going to come in, how much money I'm going to make, and obviously my expenses are fixed to some extent, but they also keep varying. So I don't know what assignments I am going to get in the next 2 months. I don't know what assignments I'll land up in the next 1 year. And so it's so extremely difficult for me to actually fix my investments. I don't know how much mutual fund I should fix every month. And I don't know how much insurance amount I can fix every month. And I don't even know if I can actually expand to a better house or if I can actually buy a bigger property, right? So in such situations, what I learned was, and how I managed my finances, I'm going to let you know that. So that's a secret I'm letting you know, and I hope you better make use of it and you watch it till the end. And do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. The first and the biggest tip that I want to share with you is, and I think it's a very small thing, but it's one of the biggest things that we can do, is you have to separate your personal bank account and business bank account. So, the problem with most of our freelancers is that all the registrations, all the money actually comes into our account directly because we as such do not have a company bank account. And because we do not have a company bank account, all our finances are completely messed up. So my personal income, my, the money that I have already made from before and the money that I'm making right now is all jumbled up now. So hence the first step that I did was I actually separated my bank account, my personal bank account, to my business bank account. If I have not taken a registration in any other name, I still opened another bank account. So let's say one with an X bank and second was with a Y bank. So this will create the differentiation. So then for every transaction that you take up as a freelancer, every assignment that you pick up as a freelancer, you can actually give the bank account details of Y bank account. So this will help all the money, your business money, start coming in there, or all your assignment money will start coming in there. Now, this is one of the biggest differentiation elements that you can create. What is the second thing that you can do? The second that you can do is actually go ahead and write your expenses. See how much expenses that you do on an average every month. Now that is something that you have to make on an annual basis. So if you think you have a rent of 20,000 rupees, you spend on your own entertainment for about 10,000 rupees, you have your conveyance for 10,000 rupees, and you actually also spend on, other things, maybe for your parents, you have mutual fund investments, etc. for 50,000 rupees. So that means for 10,000 rupees, sorry. So in total, that basically means you need 50,000 rupees for your lifestyle. So this is an amount which you can actually start transferring from your business account to your personal account every month. This is a budget. This is also a way of pushing yourself to budgeting. So every month you shift or you transfer that amount on first of every month to your personal bank account. Now that's your kitty. This is how you're going to spend on your whole month. Right? So all your expenses have to be in that particular amount which is lying in your personal account, and whatever it be, you will not dip into your business account. You have to treat it like a different entity altogether. Now that's the second thing that you have to do. This has not only helped you know how much your expenses is, but it has also helped you limiting and budgeting it yourself to some extent. This will also bring down your expenses because okay, I can't cross 50,000. I've already crossed 48. Now I have to survive next 7 days on 2,000 rupees. I cannot afford that movie. I cannot afford that dinner. I cannot afford that party right now, at least for 7 days. So any friend who calls you is like, yeah, I'm free, but for the next 7 days, I'm slightly tied up. Can we meet on 10th? Can we meet after 2 weeks? So this will give you the luxury of the next month's amount, right? So that's tip number 2. What could be tip number 3? The tip number 3 is that all your investments, how to plan for that. Now you have to see in the past 1 year, how much money have you made? how much expenses have you made? Now that's come your savings. If you think you are not landing up with any savings, maybe you should have a relook at your expenses and also look at things that we keep suggesting as to how to save money better. So let's say now the second case where you see, oh, I do save money. Wow. I'm hoping you would be in that bracket. Now, if you have an amount which you saved on an average every month last year, and you think you will be picking up 20% more assignments, 30% more assignments, or you'll remain at what you were last year, that's the buffer for your investments. Now, that is the amount of SIPs that you can fix from your ex-business account, which is the amount where your money comes in, your business money comes in. So that is where you should start planning your investments from, because whatever comes in will be saved there. So let's take a situation that in January month, you make 2 lakh rupees. In February and March, you're not making any. And then in April, you suddenly pick up an assignment of 5 lakh rupees. Now, for January, February, and March, your spending was 50,000 rupees. So every month, even when you were investing, by the end of March, you have 50,000 rupees, which you had invested. So before you run out of your money completely, you have April where you've picked up another 5 lakh rupees of assignment. So that's where your money has started coming in again, and that your other account has started filling in again. So this is going to streamline the whole expenses, investments, and income process for you. And these small changes, opening a bank account, maintaining an Excel sheet of how much expenses, income you have, and also planning your investments from the other bank account where your money comes in, is going to just solve the whole process for you. This is the first step that you can actually take to sort out the mess. So this video is basically to sort out that mess. Once you have done that, watch our video where we are explaining how to do your financial planning. We will be coming up with another video especially for you where I have learned as to how I can do my financial planning, especially in my freelancing tenure. So I hope this is helping. We would love to hear what you learned the best out of this video. And thank you so much. Keep watching. Have a great day. Bye.